Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to HubSpot step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account and what to expect throughout the connection process. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and that you have permission to manage domains. It's also a good idea to have access to your domain registrar or DNS provider in another tab, since you may need it during setup. Let's get started. First, go to the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard and click on the Settings icon. This will open your main account settings, where all your website and publishing options are located. Next, look at the left-hand menu, find the Tools section, and click on Domains and URLs. This is the central place where you can manage all your domains, review connections, and control how your content appears online. Now, click on Connect a Domain. HubSpot will launch a guided setup process that walks you through everything step by step. You'll be asked what type of content you want to connect your domain to, such as website pages, landing pages, or blog content, and then you'll enter your domain or subdomain. As you move through the steps, HubSpot may ask you to verify ownership or update DNS records. Don't worry, this is completely normal. When this happens, keep your HubSpot tab open, go to your domain provider, add or update the DNS records exactly as shown, then return to HubSpot and continue. Make sure to copy values carefully to avoid errors. Also, keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to update, so if you see a pending status, just wait a few minutes and refresh the page. Once everything is set correctly, HubSpot will confirm that your domain is connected. After that, you can review how your domain is being used, set it as the primary domain if needed, and test your website. It's a good idea to open your site in a private browser window to make sure everything loads properly and the connection is secure. And that's it. To recap, go to Settings, open Domains and URLs, click on Connect a Domain, and follow the guided steps. Take your time, follow the prompts carefully, and your domain will be connected smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.